Connects to the factory stereo harnesses when installing an aftermarket stereo. Not compatible with factory amplified systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connector, wire harness for aftermarket stereo installation with color-coded wires. EIA industry standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. Includes power speaker wires, each labeled with its specific function. No need to cut factory harness, all connections match perfectly. EIA standard wiring color codes. Wiring harness for 1984 up Chrysler. Top reviews from the United States. They are wiring connectors. Not much to say, bought them for a 2001 Jeep Cherokee, worked as they should. Easy to install as long as you follow the directions, much easier than trying to bypass and hardwire a system when their connectors are so cheap. Would and will buy again.